Hello students of class 10. Today I'm going to discuss about the rest of the portion of the satellite imagery. In the previous video I have discussed about what are satellite imageries and the types of the satellite imagery. Before going into the details, I'm going to do a little bit revision of that. So what are satellite imageries? The images that are being prepared from the information gathered by the satellite that are roaming around the earth. We are calling that as the satellite imagery. Satellite imageries or the satellites are of two types. One is the geostationary and another is the polar orbiting. What are geostationary satellite? The satellites that remain fixed at a certain location above the earth's surface. We are calling it as the geostationary satellite. And what are polar orbiting satellite? The satellite that orbits from north to south direction surrounding our earth. We are calling it as the polar orbiting satellite. The satellite imagery are basically of three types: visible imagery, infrared imagery and water vapor imagery. So today I am going to discuss about the different types of the scales that are being used. Number 1 is the statement scale, number 2 is the representative scale, and number 3 is the linear scale. I think you all remember, you have studied this in your previous class, that is in class 9. So let's start with this statement scale. So number 1 is the statement scale. So what are statement scale? The statement scale are the simple scale in which through a simple statement we can understand the value of the scale or what is the scale is. For example, 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So it is a simple statement where it is meaning that 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer, which means 2 centimeter on the map actually represents 1 kilometer on the ground, or in other words 1 kilometer on the ground is represented by 2 centimeter in a particular map. Okay, this is what statement scale means. Number 2 is RF or representative fraction. Okay, this scale is given in a ratio manner or in a ratio form like 1:50,000. Okay, this type of the scale is shown in this ratio manner 1:50,000, where we have to calculate to find out what is the actual statement or what is the actual value of the scale is. Okay, meaning that, like I have said, explained in the other statement form of the scale, 2 centimeter represents 1 kilometer, or 1 kilometer on the ground is represented by 2 centimeter on the map. But from this particular scale we cannot get that directly, or we cannot directly understand which represents which value. Means what is the actual what is the value of the ground and what is the value of the scale in the map. Okay, so we need to convert this scale, or we need to calculate the statement scale from this ratio factor or from this ratio format. Okay, the last one is the linear or the graphical scale. It is being represented with the help of the graphical scale like this, where the value is being given like in this format: 0 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer in a graphical format like that. From this format we have to identify, or from this diagram we have to identify what is the map distance and what is the ground distance. Okay, so next is the steps in acquisitions of the satellite imagery. Okay, so the first step that we have is the sensor. The remote sensing that obtains the information about an object is without touching that object. Okay, it is a technology of acquiring data through a device. We are calling it as the sensor. Okay, this sensor actually, the sensors are basically we call this as a digital camera, which have digital camera having the charge coupled device, or these CCDs, which are arranged in a matrix like format. Matrix format means this type of the crisscross line format that you generally see in a graph paper. Each of these CCDs have got a digital address, or this dA, the earth reflects back the solar energy and its electromagnetic radiation is detected by these CCDs or the sensors. Depending upon the intensity of the reflected incident light, each of this CCD generates an electric impulse which reads the value of the reflected energy that is being transmitted. The intensity of this impulse is generally remains in between the value of 0 to 225, and this we call as the gray level or digital number. Okay, and then the satellite transmit this digital number to all the CCDs that are back into the earth, where using the remote sensing software the satellite images are generated. So the first step in acquisition of the or in the preparation of the satellite images is the sensor. Sensor is the one we generally get the sensor in a digital camera having some devices called as the charged couple device. Okay, this charged couple device are arranged in a matrix or in a graphical grid like manner. We are calling this as the in a photographical frames. Okay, each CCD has got a digital address or DA which are arranged in a row and column manner. The earth which reflects its solar energy or the electromagnetic radiation is being received by these sensors which are present in this CCD or the charged couple device. Okay, after receiving the electromagnetic radiation, it converts it into some value between 0 to 225, which this converting of this total electromagnetic impulse or electric impulse into a value or is known as the digital number or gray level. Okay, after the value is being prepared or after the impulse is being converted into a value, this satellite transmit all this digital number or DN back to the earth in a particular means in a particular device which have this remote sensing software, and from there the remote sensing from there the satellite images are being are being formed. Okay, next is the characteristics. Okay, so the first characteristics of the satellite images is that they are produced in the digital platform. Second is that they are generated from our line scanners and from the digital cameras, as I have already explained in the process or the steps in acquisition. All the electromagnetic radiations are being captured or by this digital cameras only. Next is that the basic element of this images is a pixel. So what are pixel? The word pixel actually means a picture element. Okay, every photograph in the digital form is made up of the pixel are the smallest unit. Okay, next is that this satellite images do have this rows and the column structure. Okay, it forms in a matrix like manner. Next is the color of the images changes during processing. Yes, the color of the images changes during the processing. When the image are acquired or when the images are formed, it is in a black and white format. When the images are then processed in certain softwares like ArcMap, MapInfo, etc., over there the images changes its color during the procession. Okay. The next one is the uses of the satellite images. The first use is the satellite images are used in the various field. Amongst the various fields, number one is the meteorologist. Okay, in the satellite images help to understand the forecasting behavior of the atmosphere, and also helps in the prediction of any thunderstorm, cyclones, etc. Next is the oceanography. In oceanographic perspective, it helps to know about the condition of the sea and the ice glaciers that are present in the oceans. Then you can it helps in the mineral extraction from the oceans. Next is the agriculture, crop yielding, cropping pattern, detection of the land use pattern can be done with the help of the satellite images in the case of the agriculture. Next is the geology. In the geology, it is helps in the identification and mapping of the physiographic and the tectonic features that are present on the earth's surface. Then the mineral resources mapping of the earthquake prone zones, volcanic eruption prone zones can be done with the help of this satellite imageries. Okay, so this is all about the satellite imageries, and please go through the chapter well, and thank you everybody.